How to fix iTunes Library.itl cannot be read error. Whenever you try to open iTunes, you might see this message. iTunes Library.itl cannot be read because it was created with a newer version of iTunes. To fix this problem, we just need to delete or rename iTunes Library.itl file. So first of all, of course, we will close this iTunes error message window. Then to go to iTunes library file location, we need to open music folder. Then iTunes folder. Inside iTunes folder we see iTunes library file and extension of the file is .itl. As said before, we will just delete or rename this file. I gonna rename it to iTunes library back. I prefer renaming over deleting, as in case any problem happens I can go back to the backup file easily. Okay, done. Now if we start iTunes again, we shouldn't see any iTunes library.itl error. Okay, we see iTunes opened without any problem. That means iTunes library.itl problem is now fixed. Thanks again for watching my video. Take care. Peace.